Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one advice with you, because if you make that mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger D generation here guys from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the fuse for the Bluetooth, also known as Telematics or uConnect fuse and relays, where you can find them, stay with us, we'll explain where they're hidden. If you need to buy replacement parts too at a good price, we'll share the information in the video for your convenience. So let's start on it now guys. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do almost anything. How to fix engines, transmissions, electrical components, codes, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Why we guys do it? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And if you want guys, please check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So we're going to demonstrate guys on this Dodge Charger right here, where you can find the fuse. You have guys two main fuse boxes. The first one is under the hood, the second one is in the trunk. We need the one in the trunk. Open the trunk, excuse me, lift the carpet liner up. Underneath you have the spare tire. On the passenger side you're going to find your car battery, and behind the car battery is the main trunk fuse box. This is a closer look of that same fuse box. These tabs here, squish them together, lift that cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So where is the Telematics fuse relay, Bluetooth fuse relay, uConnect fuse relay? All that is the same guys. So we're going to zoom in a little bit. Here guys, you see that row of fuses? This is fuse 38, next to it is fuse 37. That 20 amp fuse, that's the one that you will guys need to check for Telematics, Bluetooth or uConnect. Now, if you have problems with that system, remove the fuse, let it sit for 10 minutes without it, put it back in. But that can cause your radio to get a security code if the radio is out of another Dodge vehicle too. So you will need to have that code, and how you do it, if you need to get it, you get the serial number out of the radio with the VIN number out of the car, call the dealership and they should provide it to you. In most cases they did to us. Now about relay, you don't have a relay. This fuse is known as a relay fuse, so that will be the only thing you need to check. So this guy's Dodge Charger has all kinds of different fuses and relays, different sizes, and those guys, okay, could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get one, we were stuck because we had to wait a few days to get a shipment. So we recommend to buy some spare fuses, relays, put guys some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time guys. Thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.